Hello, welcome to this video called Dynamic Link. We're going to try and dynamically link various different sequences together. So we're going to take a few seconds from this thing. So we'll go to like, I don't know, 3 seconds, that's fine. And I want to do some fun editing with After Effects. So we can take a look at this. And here's our clip. So we might want to change this into an After Effects composition. So we do replace with After Effects composition. And for now, we're just going to just leave it as it is, doesn't matter. And you can see the artifacts compositions come in. So this is the same composition. And we take a look as well at the composition settings. You'll notice there's the right size of the settings. So we could change the resolution as well. So it's going to be less in terms of performance. And what's happened in Premiere? Well, in Premiere, you can see it now says untitled linked comp, untitled project. Now it's got a red bar. So if we do our sequence render effects into out, so what's actually happening? So what's actually happening now, right, is these actually completely linked these sequences. So anything I change in After Effects is actually going to change, which is pretty cool, right? So it means I can do, so for instance, let's do like a wiggler effect on the scale. There you go. There's a simple wiggler, right? So the thing is, like, obviously it's all happening here. We don't really need to render it in this program though. So we can just go back into Premiere and then we can just render it here, right? Because that's what we're working in. So now you can see in Premiere we've got the rendering effect there. So let's maybe just use the glue gun here. Maybe get just the face. It's an interesting choice, isn't it? All right, so you can see, and the great thing is obviously I can just press the export button in Premiere and everything's fine.